Bonjour, hello, that's about it. Hola, how are you guys? Welcome to the live stream. I tried to do as many languages as I could there, and there was only three. How are you? Hope you're all well. Welcome to the live stream. Those of you that are new to the live stream, this is your opportunity to ask me as many questions as you like about trading. So yeah, a little bit about me, guys. I've been trading for over 15 years now. Run this YouTube channel, yeah, and yeah, started in. I'm going to give you some history. I started looking at indices, guys, and then I moved into Forex, and then I moved into having 1,001 indicators. And then I moved into having no indicators, guys. And yeah, my system is pretty much keep it simple. And yeah, that's what I'm here to discuss with you today, guys. So please ask me as many questions as you'd like about my trading and about your trading, guys. Yeah, we can look at a currency pair that you're in. We can look at psychology, money management, strategy, techniques, plotting support and resistance, trends, anything you like, guys. So yeah, ask as many questions as you like. What else are we going to do? I'm going to show you a couple of trade. Well, not a couple. I'm in one trade as we speak. So we'll take a look at that. And we've got some news coming out during the live stream. So that's very exciting. I can feel the excitement in the room. So yeah, we'll also look at that. And also, guys, yeah, the way I do things on the live stream, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Okay, so if don't be like, why is he asking me questions? And go within your shell. Yeah, go for it. Answer some of my questions. We're gonna analyze a few pairs together. So yeah, that's the plan, guys. Let's see who's in the house. Colin, how are you, Colin? Oh no, the Fed is talking in Jackson Hole. Yes, they're all in Wyoming, I believe. Yeah, talking about how buggered the world economy is. DC, top of the day to ya. Hello, mate. How are you? Investing with Ian. Hi, Tom. Hope you're doing well, mate. What is the name of the toolbar or program you are using that has the magic pen? This magic pen, which is very magical, it's like the Harry Potter of pens. It's called Epic Pen. Yeah, Epic Pen. And yeah, good, Ian. Use it because it helps you plot structure. Yeah, it lets you understand market structure. So yeah, plot it, use it, download it. Yeah, use it. Who else have we got in? Renewable Nat. Good day, Tom. Missed yesterday's live because of a date. Woo! A date. I hope it went well, Renewable Nat. This could be our first Simply Forex marriage, maybe. Yeah, we'll come along to the marriage and we'll video it all. I'm sure you want that like a hole in the head. Tony, how are you, mate? Grand Rising. Tony, yes, see you tomorrow, Tony. Geordie Ander, the Barcelona full pack. Yatin, hey everyone. Yatin, looking forward to today's randomness. Yeah. Yes, Ian, you've made my day. Anything to do with the Epic Pen, I enjoy talking about. Let's forget trading. Let's talk about the Epic Pen and the things it can do. Old man abroad. I always think of myself when I hear your name. Michael, hello, everyone. How are you guys? So, marriage, I'm only 18. Okay, Renewable Nat, you're too young. Yeah, I'm also 18. I'm too young for getting married. So, yeah, don't do it just yet. But I hope the date went well. Right, guys, we're going to look at a trade. No, we're not. We're going to look at this first. We've got this news coming out. All right. So, yeah, there's that Jackson Hole that all the, all the top dogs are at, and they're talking about the economy and God knows what else. So, yeah, there's going to be some important information coming out of this during the week, guys. All right. So, this could, I believe Fed Chair Powell speaking here, maybe Friday, I think. But yeah, some of the stuff coming out of here could move the markets, all right? But what we're interested in today is this. We are interested in 23 minutes, this core durable goods coming out of the US. So this is a 3-star rating. And at the same time, we have got initial jobless claims as well. So we've got 2 3-star ratings coming out of the US at the same time. This could really move the markets, guys. The forecast for core durable goods is 0.2, and initial jobless claims is 240. So initial jobless claims is basically people claiming unemployment. So they want this number to be lower when it's released. So lower is better than expected. And core durable goods, let's have a look. Let's click on it and see exactly what core durable goods is measuring. So I know you can read, but I am also going to read. So core durable goods measures the change in the total value of new orders for long-lasting manufactured goods, excluding transportation items, because aircraft orders are very volatile. Okay, the core number gives a better gauge of ordering trends. A higher reading indicates increased manufacturing activity. So long-lasting manufactured goods. So there you go. Yeah, higher than expected is better. Lower is basically saying manufacturing activity is going down. So there you go. We all know. If anyone asks you this at a dinner party, then you know what core durable goods is. Right, let's get rid of that. So guys, someone please remind me that we need to take a look at that then. Right, we're going to look at a trade that I am in. I've put this trade in my VIP Discord channel, and it was a trade as part of my analysis this morning. And it's this, guys. It is the pound against the Swiss franc. So on the day chart, yeah, we were in a downtrend, but now, you know, ever since we had a break of this high, yeah, and we're starting to get higher lows, and higher highs, we've been in an uptrend, okay? And we're starting to come above the moving average 20. I like the fact that this wick closed above the moving average 20, all right? If I zoom in, guys, you can see that candle a little better. Yeah, you can see there's a nice big rejection wick here. So based on that rejection wick, we're just trying to take price back up to these highs, all right? So that's the idea, guys. We had a setup earlier because if you remember my analysis, guys, I was saying we could have a bullish reaction in this gray zone. That was the first idea in terms of our trade. Or we could wait for, you know, a break of this level, okay? And then we could come up. All right, so I've been a little bit of aggressive with this trade. And why have I been aggressive? Well, look at the size of this candle. Yeah, look how bullish this candle is compared to the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know, it's more bullish than the last God knows how many candles. All right. And if you looked at, you know, the H1 very intricately, yeah, we could argue we're not getting lower lows. And when this broke up, we started to get higher highs. All right. So for all of those reasons, I have entered this trade. I actually entered here and I actually entered another trade at this level. I added to my buy. All right. My stop is below here. Hence my alarm is here as well. All right. And we're just looking to take this back up to here, guys. All right. So that is the trade that I am in. I put it in my VIP Discord channel. So yeah, let's see how this goes. If we look at the H4, guys, I like to look at the H4 to give me, you know, to look for reasons to stay in the trade. All right, because I don't really like this candle. Yeah, let's be honest. We don't want to see that if we're buying. But the previous candle was, you know, a good candle for us. So let's take a look at the H4. And there's nothing for us to worry as yet. I mean, again, we've got another 49 minutes to be exact. That's how quick I am with mathematics. Before we have this candle finished, a H4 candle. But, you know, if we get this rejection wick still, you know, and it continues to push up, yeah, I like this trade idea. All right, so pound Swiss franc, we are in this trade, guys. Right, what we're going to do, we are going to take a few of your questions. Actually, I will look at a couple more things first. Denny, good day. Tom and everyone. Yeah, hi, Denny. The Yatin, the dollar index can't make its mind up. No, it cannot. Yeah, after yesterday's bearish daily close, just when you think the pullback is starting. Yeah, couldn't agree more, Yatin. It's been a right whip soaring. Yeah, let's look at it. I mean, if we look at the dollar index, guys, it's been whip soaring more than okay, so I've got an alarm. I've got an alarm on gold. We'll take a look at that in a minute, guys. So yeah, look at the dollar index on the day chart, guys. Yeah, we're thinking bulls, we're thinking bears, and now we're thinking bulls again. But obviously this daily candle hasn't finished forming. All right, so yeah, it's tricky to read at the moment, yeah. But we still haven't broken this level. All right. And let's just take a look at my alarm that just went off as well, guys, because that was sorry, good day, Greg. Yeah, saw you down there. Let's look at the alarm that just went off, and it was gold, because this is going to be a structure break on gold. All right. Let's take a look at the H1. Okay, so this would tempt me to enter this trade. I spoke about this briefly on my analysis vid in the morning. Yeah. So, you know, gold, as we know, is in a downtrend. Yeah. You don't need to be Warren Buffett to see that is in a downtrend. Even though we've had this huge retrace, which is what we need, to be honest, we're clearly still in a downtrend. And I really like this area because this is super duper value. Yeah, remember a couple of live streams ago, we were saying how there's no value here, no value here. But if we get a retrace up here, you know, this is excellent value. I'm not going to excellent val. This is excellent value here, guys. All right. So I am tempted, yeah, to start shorting this. The only thing is how bullish this candle is. Yeah, that is quite bullish. However, if we start to see a breakdown on the lower time frames, I may look to short this back down to these lows. All right. So my alarm just went off because on the H1, okay, it'd be interesting to see if this candle holds. Because on the H1, guys, you can see that this area here is an area of support for gold, yeah, and H1 structure. So at this exact moment in time now, we are still with H1 structure, and H1 structure hasn't broken down. But if we get a red candle that breaks this level, yeah, looks something like this, then I'm interested. What I'll probably do, would I get in straight away? Maybe. I might get in smaller size straight away and start selling. And then if price retraces a bit, I'll potentially get in again to start selling. All right. So, yeah, gold. Let's see what happens at this level. All right. You can see it's having a bit of a reaction now at this level. Maybe it pushes back up. Yeah. And we don't get a break. And then I'm not interested. Then I'm like, okay, let's stay out. But yeah, we're seeing this is forming an important level for gold, guys. All right. And that's why I set my alarm there. So we'll come back to that later to have a look. Right. What else are we looking at? What am I looking at? So CAD yen. I was looking at CAD yen, but I believe Elvis has left the building. Yeah. So CAD yen was a tricky one, guys. Yeah. So on the day chart, as you know, we were looking to buy this because we love this area here. Yeah, the fact that it held these lows and we had a wick and we're at this trend line and we're at this horizontal support level as well. There's lots of things to like about this CAD yen trade, but I haven't managed to get into it. And like I say, guys, I'll always be very transparent. I'm not going to say I got into something I'm marvelous if I didn't. And you'll see it all on my VIP Discord anyway. They're all the trades that I do. So, yeah, you know, by the time I'd woken up, guys, yeah, price was up here. Yeah, by the time I look at starting trading, then I saw this large red candle and I thought, happy days, we are going to make it down to where you can see where my alarm was. I was looking for price to hit this last high. You remember how much I loved that entry. What was once resistance then becomes support. I love that entry more than I love Gal Gadot. And that is a lot. So that was the plan. Yeah. And then even when we saw this candle here, guys, yeah, it still wasn't my cue to enter because look at this candle. Yeah. I was still thinking this was coming down. All right. But now it's kind of left the building. All right. So potentially, you know, if we get another retrace, I might start entering this pair. We'll see. But yeah, it sort of left me this trade, unfortunately. Yeah. It's going great guns as we speak, you know. So yeah, we'll also keep an eye on this trade as well. And there was also oil, guys. And the thing with oil is this structure of the H1. Again, if we go to the day chart, guys, I'm just talking you through all of my trade ideas from this morning, and then we'll get stuck into a few of your questions. All right. Rodney has got one for me, Euro yen and New Zealand yen for renewable Nat, who went on a date last night and he said it was wonderful. He didn't really say that, but he went on a date, everyone. Right. Gold, oil, sorry. So yeah, we were looking to short this because this has just broken this low, right? I don't like this wick, but it has just broken this low, okay? And price come up to our gray zone, which I was interested in, yeah? These last highs here. And we've had a bearish candle form. But the problem with this bearish candle is H1 structure, yeah? Because if we look at H1 structure, we're starting to get higher highs. So this last low here, sorry, this last high here is potentially a place to buy. So structurally on the H1 in here, I have been deterred to take this trade. All right, but again, we'll keep an eye on the H4 because sometimes the H4 makes sense. So we'll see. Yeah, maybe price wants to come back up to here, hit this moving average 20, then have another bearish reaction. Then maybe we could start shorting it. All right. So that's me so far today. Right. Imaginary. Hello, Tom. I do not understand the 80% lock-in profits and let 20% run. It sounds profitable and I want to apply it in my trading. Can you clarify more, please? Imaginary, yes, I can, because I'm sure everyone, it was wonderful, see? Everyone would be interested in this, guys. Let me just have a quick drink. Okay, and I'm going to discuss my 80-20 rule. And before I do, guys, if you're new to the channel, if I could ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel right now. Yeah, also smash that notification button, guys, so that you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if I could ask everyone right now to please take 1 second and smash the like button. Yeah, it takes 1 second, guys. Just smash the thumbs up. Thank you very much. So let's think of a trade that I was in recently. Pound Canadian dollar. Yeah, we were buying this. All right. And one of these trade ideas was to buy, let's look at this. Let's go on the H1. No, let's go on that. Sorry, let's go on the H4. Let me just okay, this will be a good example, guys, right? So pound Canadian dollar, I was looking to buy this, okay? And let's imagine I got in on this H4 candle, okay? So this low held, All right. And basically my target is up here, the next area of resistance. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay. So that's my target. All right. And at this point, once I reach this gray zone, I'm going to close 80%. All right. So the idea behind it is this. Once I reach my target, okay, so it comes up, it didn't hit target, come down, tested these lows, didn't hit our stop, and then it comes back up. At this point, I close 80%. Why do I do that? Firstly, I want to secure some profit. Okay. So, you're never going to blow an account by taking profit. Yeah. I know people say, let your winners run and all that. And yes, you can and you should, but I want to close 80% because I just want to take some profit and I will still let some of the trade run. All right. Because once we get to here, yeah, okay, so we're still with H4 structure, yeah, and we get up to here. So once we get to here, I close 80%. All right. Imagine if I didn't. Imagine if my target was up. Let's say my target was up here. Okay. Yeah, let's say my target was those last highs. All right. And price came up and I didn't take 80% here. Yeah, I didn't take 80% because my target was a little bit further. All right. And then this happens. Yeah, you will be sick as a pig. Yeah, if you didn't take any profit up here. Yeah, you could even take 100% of the profit, but I like to take 80% so I secure some profit. And then I almost don't mind or care what the trade does. All right. But in a perfect world, yeah, I close 80% here. Yeah. And then it continues. Yeah. It continues to go up and breaks this area of support, of resistance, and continues to go up. And I just let my 20% run. So I do let my winners run, but only for 20% because I want to protect myself for something drastic happening in the market. And as you can see, we had a huge trend change. Yeah. And I'm so glad up here that I took 80%. Yeah. Let's look at another example. Okay. So let's say Euro Yen. Okay. So let's say we entered here. Yeah, we had a nice H4 setup. We got a nice bullish H4 candle, put our stop here. Yeah, and our target was up here somewhere. Our target was 159.50. Yeah, price comes all the way back up, reaches these highs. Yeah, take profit. If you do not take profit at a very strong resistance level, this can happen. Yeah. So imagine again that you didn't take profit here. As it goes against you, you'll be thinking, oh no, it will go back up. No, we're okay. No, give it a little bit. No, we're going to go back up. No, we've got a green candle. We'll be okay. Bang. Yeah. Just taking your stop out. Yeah. So when you know it's a big area of resistance in a buy, take some profit up here. Yeah. Close 80%. Yeah. And then if it does carry on for the next 3 years, yeah, you're still in it for 20%. And you can always add to a trade. Yeah. Even when this breaks and goes up, you can still add to this trade here or here. Yeah. So yeah, take some profit. Yeah. Everyone says let your winners run. Okay, take some profit. Yeah. Take some profit and re-enter the trade. Okay, that's my advice. Right, what else are we looking at? News in 3 minutes. Okay, thank you, Denny. I never remember the news. We're going to play Guess the News game. All right, so don't look at the news. When it comes out, we're going to see if the news was better or worse than expected. Right, let's have a look at New Zealand yen for renewable Nat, who went on a date last night, and it was wonderful. I'm very happy for you. So let's start with the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, we are in an uptrend. Yeah. Okay. We're in an uptrend. And I'm going to ask you a question now, guys. You know I like a little question. If we were just looking at the weekly chart, yeah, right now, with New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, would you buy this trade, sell this trade, or stay out of the market? What would you do with this weekly chart, only the weekly chart? What would you do? Buy, sell, or stay out? Leave your answers now, guys. Okay. Okay, I agree. Yeah, I would buy. Yeah, I would look to buy here. We're clearly in an uptrend. Yeah, and we are in a wonderful position of value. Yeah, this is the last swing low, and we're at the moving average 20, which you also pointed out. This is at a beautiful level to start buying. All right. So on the weekly chart, I would buy. I also agree with Yatin. This weekly candle is quite bearish. Yeah, we do need to be careful of that. But, if we got a bullish weekly candle, I would be buying this. This area represents great value for me. Okay. Now we're going to go down to the New Zealand dollar. Yeah, good. Julie, but the candle is not good. Yatin also said the candle. Yeah, good. I agree, guys. Good. Look at the candle. But I would buy that. If we look at the day chart, okay. Now, if we look at the day chart, guys, yeah, what would you do? Yeah, with New Zealand Japanese yen, would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? As soon as you've answered this, we're going to take a look at the news. Yeah, so New Zealand Japanese yen, buy, sell, or stay out of the market. Okay, so we've got a couple of people saying stay out, downtrend. Yeah, guys, I agree with you. Yeah, however good that week. I know the news has just come out, guys. All right, so okay, let's look at the news quickly. We'll come back to this New Zealand yen trade. We'll finish analyzing it. We're going to play guess the news game. All right, so Euro US dollar. I haven't looked at the news coming out. Okay, so this is showing us Euro US dollar. This is showing us US dollar strength. I know it's only been 30 seconds since the news come out, but okay. All right, let's have a look at another one. Remember, we're going to play guess the news game. Pound US dollar. We're seeing US dollar strength. Let's have a look at US dollar CAD. Okay. US dollar strength. So, I'm going to say the news was slightly better than expected on both of them. Okay. Exciting times. I know you love the guess the news game. Yeah, let's have a drum roll. Let's see if we were correct. Yes. Well, okay. Quite a bit better than expected. This is a big beat. on expectations, guys. Yeah. 0.2 went to 0.5%. That is a big beat on expectations. And also, yeah, this was a big beat on expectations. Yeah. So that's 10,000 people less claiming unemployment. So, yeah, this should give some sustained movement for US dollar strength, guys. Yeah. Those are good figures for the US dollar. So if you think of that US dollar strength, guys, it'll be really interesting to see what this dollar index does. Yeah. We know it's finding some strength, but will it continue on past this high here? That would be interesting. But again, US dollar strength back in the market, guys. All right. And that news has helped. Let's have a look at New Zealand US dollar. Yeah, US dollar strength. Okay. Let's look at the H1. Okay. Well, it'll be interesting to see what happens here. Technical play. This will be really interesting, guys. So if we look at the day chart on New Zealand US dollar, yeah, although we wouldn't trade this, if I said to you guys, all right, I'm going to say to you guys now, New Zealand US dollar, yeah, New Zealand US dollar, guys, you have to trade this. Bear in mind, we haven't had this candle going back in time. Yeah. If I said to you guys today, you have to trade this pair. So you've only got two options: buy New Zealand US dollar or sell New Zealand US dollar. What would you do? Yeah. If you wake up in the morning, see this market, this is the daily chart, you can buy or sell. What would you do? Answers on a postcard. Okay. Denny, stay out is not an option. You can only buy or sell New Zealand US dollar. You have to trade it. Somebody has put a, threatening you, and you can only buy or sell. Yeah. All right, guys. We've had a bit of a mixed response, but if I had to trade this pair, yeah, let's zoom out a little bit, I would buy it if I had to. I know we're in a downtrend, guys, and it's good that all of you said go with trend. Yeah. But let's look at a few things. Down here, this is very oversold. Yeah. We can expect perhaps a bit of a retrace. And then we start this candle. We see buyers come into the market, not very strongly, but buyers have come into the market. And then we get this candle. Buyers have come into the market with strength, judging by that candle. So if I had to trade New Zealand US dollar, I would probably trade it, up to this 6,000 psychological level, or even the moving average 20. All right. But as you rightfully said, guys, we would stay out. Yeah. If that was an option, I didn't give you that option, but we would stay out. But if you had to trade it, I would buy this. Okay. So what is interesting is this, guys. If we go back to New Zealand US dollar now, okay, let's go to the H1. All right. So, we are seeing, yeah, okay, let's go back. Let's go to real time. So we're at this level now, which is a very important level. Yeah, you can see that. Okay. So remember, we were thinking of buying. So we have just had better than expected US dollar data. So this would suggest US dollar strength, and this will come crashing through this level and continue down. Yeah. if we traded the news. That's what the news would lead you to believe, right? Yeah, that's logical. So we're going to see if the technical level wins or fundamentals win. If the news wins, yeah, in terms of that better than expected news, then price should break through this level. Yeah, would you agree? Yeah, if US dollar news is to win, it should break this level. Okay, and that means fundamentals have won. If this level holds and we get a bullish reaction, then technicals have won because we have a bullish daily candle and we know this is a very nice support level. So it'd be really interesting to see what happens here, guys. Just for your own information, see if technicals or fundamentals win here. Okay, it'll be very interesting. So again, we'll keep an eye on that as well, guys. Let's go. What do you think on gold? Yeah, it hasn't quite broken its structure yet, Danny, because it hasn't finished. Okay, that's broken. Yeah, like I said, guys, I had my alarm set earlier for gold. This is gold. So if this candle stays like this, yeah, we've still got what we got 20 minutes or so, then I would potentially look for shorts. Yeah, I would wait for a retrace potentially here or back to the moving average 20. Yeah, and then I would start selling. Yeah, I would start selling gold. Gold's at such a nice level here on the day chart. Yeah, look at that. Literally touching the moving average 20 on the day chart, and we're getting a bearish reaction. And bear in mind, we just had that better than expected US dollar data. So yeah, gold, if it is a trade, guys, I'll put it in the VIP Discord. All right, if I'm going to trade it, I'll put it in the VIP Discord and I'll show you where I trade it from. It'll be interesting to see if this candle does hold on to this level. We're getting a wick as we speak. Will it hold on to this level? Let's see. And while I mention the VIP Discord, guys, yeah, let me just mention a few things that we do. So if you haven't joined the free Discord, then come join it. Yeah, it's free. Yeah, you've got traders sharing ideas, knowledge, indicators, psychology, loads of cool things. So come join the free Discord channel. The link is in the live chat. Secondly, guys, if you'd like to join the VIP Discord, this is where I put all of my trades, guys. All right. So if you join the VIP Discord, I give you my trade ideas. You also have access to me throughout the day, as in you can ask me questions throughout the day. We have two other expert traders sharing their trade ideas as well. We have, what else do we have? We have exclusive content every week. And you get access to a performance coach, guys. So if you're interested in that, the VIP Discord, the link is in the live chat and the video description. We also do YouTube membership, guys. Yeah. So if you watch the live stream, the analysis feeds every day, then why not show your support and become a member? Yeah. It starts from as little as under $2, and you get some really cool perks for doing so. All right. So yeah. Come show your support and become a YouTube member. All right, guys. So, yeah, if gold does break down like this, yeah, break down, retest, come lower. Yeah, I'll be interested in this for sure. Yeah, well spotted, Denny. Yeah, Sidwell, it will be interesting. The technical versus fundamental there. Yeah, let's go back to New Zealand US dollar. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see. Yeah, we'll see if we get a break of this level. Yeah, gold looks good. If it gets a gold does look good. One-on-one lessons are the best. Thank you, Colin. So Colin is part of my mentorship program. Also, I offer coaching one-on-one. So if you're interested in that, guys, the link is in the video description as well. Let's quickly go back to that New Zealand yen trade because we got totally sidetracked. Yeah, so on New Zealand yen, we said, I'm jumping around today, guys. I do apologize. I'm confusing myself. It must be even worse for you. Yeah, but this, I must go back to it. We have unfinished business with New Zealand yen. So we said on the weekly that we like the level for buys. And now on the day chart, we have said stay out. And I agree. And if anything, yeah, it's in a downtrend. All right. So New Zealand yen, for those reasons, we don't have a trade. What would I like to see to take a trade? All right. This is what I would like to see. So if we consider this, yeah, this is the last swing high. If we consider this the last swing high, yeah, which is reasonable, yeah, I would need to see a break of this level, retest, and then I think we can take price back up to this gray zone. So that's what I would need to see for start looking for buys, guys, because at the moment it's in no man's land. Yeah, when I say no man's land, you've got daily sellers, weekly buyers. Yeah, this could be a weekly buyer. Yeah, but then you've still got sellers. So until we get a winner here, I'm not interested in New Zealand yen. All right, so had to finish that. Yeah. Right, what else are we looking at, guys? Was there any questions that I missed before? Okay, let's have a look. So Thabiso. I apologize for my pronunciation. I've been drinking vodka. Euro Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie dollar. So Euro Aussie dollar, before I even look at the chart, I know is at a wonderfully beautiful level. It really is. Yeah, let's go down to Euro Aussie dollar. Yeah, look at that level. Not only was it support from over, resistance from over here, and therefore support, okay, but yeah, you can also see here, guys, yeah, we've had a bit of a, not easy to read this, but this was the last swing low, I would say here. And price is literally at the swing low. It's at the moving average 20. We're at an horizontal support level. Yeah. So I should buy this, right? Yeah. So guys, what do you think? Euro, Aussie dollar, you can all help Thabiso. Yeah. Would you buy Euro Aussie dollar? Would you sell Euro Aussie dollar? Or would you stay out of the market with Euro Aussie dollar? You've got three options, guys. Euro Aussie dollar right now. What would you do? Okay. Keep your answers coming in, guys. I'm going to have a drink of vodka. Bill Gahan, like you're thinking. Yeah. All right, guys. So obviously, yeah. Let's look at, as if we just saw this first thing in the morning. I'm going to take away today's candle, yeah, because this is how we analyze it. So we come into in the morning. This is what I do. I look at all 28 currency pairs, and I would look at this pair, and I would think this, guys. I would think this is at a wonderfully beautiful level. We're also in an uptrend. We have double support here. Yeah. And everything in my being would be, Tom, yeah, we can buy this. Yeah, let's do it. And then all you need to do, guys, is just look at the candles. Look at that selling pressure with those candles. You do not get a more bearish candle than that. I think they call that a Marabuso. Yeah, check it out, a Marabuso or something. But that is basically a whole block of selling. There is no wick at the bottom, literally nothing there. All right. So I cannot buy that candle. Okay. I'm not saying that price will not do this and come up and hit this high. It could do. But what I'm telling you is I will not buy this candle. I just can't. It doesn't compute in my brain. So I would just stay out of the market. I wouldn't buy. I wouldn't sell. I would stay out. My line like this is stay out for that reason. However, yeah, it might be a trade on Friday. Let's say today we get a candle that is a bullish green candle that comes up some of this red candle, green candle like this. Then okay, yeah, now I'm interested. Yeah, I can start buying this back up to these highs. But today, guys, it just wasn't. I just can't buy that candle, no matter how much I like this level. Even if we had a candle that had a bit of a wick, you know, maybe it was a big red body like this, but it just had a bit of a wick, then maybe I could. But this candle, just no. Yeah, I cannot buy that. Although I love the level. I love the level. We'll come back and assess this tomorrow morning and see if we've had a bullish reaction. If I go back into real time, you know, we are getting a bullish reaction. Okay, let's have a look on the H4 to see what's happening there. So, yeah, I mean, we are getting a bullish reaction, but do you really want to start buying that? I mean, H4, you know, if we get a bearish reaction, yeah, we could come lower, you know. H4 is clearly in a downtrend, you know, and you do not want to start buying that either. H1's a different story because it did build up. Yeah, if we look at the H1, you know, we didn't make lower lows, always a red flag. And then we got a break of structure. So on the H1, this was a potential trade. And you would have made a few pips to the upside. But that bearish daily candle, you know, it could be coming back now. Yeah, it could be nice big bearish H1 candle coming back down. All right. So let's see, guys. So yeah, it's a lovely level, but we can't trade it for that reason. That be so. So Bill Gahan, I agree with you. Excuse my pronunciation. Yeah, wait for the daily to close. Yeah, and see and reassess it then. But if let's say the daily chart, yeah, let's say this candle finished like this. Still not bullish enough for me. Yeah, it got a bit of a wick. Yeah, this red candle is far more bearish than this is bullish. You know, if the candle finished like this, I'm still not buying. Yeah, it would have to be a pretty substantial green candle. All right, guys, so that's Euro, Aussie, dollar. Okay. All right, guys. So, guys, I think we're going to call it a day there. I hope you've enjoyed the live stream. I always enjoy it, guys. I always enjoy your questions and having a bit of banter with you. And I'll be back Monday doing this. Friday, we're off. Me and the editor are down the pub for 3 days. I'm only joking. That would kill me. I'm too old for that. So yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, please smash the like button right now, guys. My next live stream will be on Monday, 8 a.m. New York EST. Don't forget all the cool things we do: free Discord channel, VIP Discord channel, mentorship session, YouTube membership. Yeah, check it all out. And I'll still do my analysis vid tomorrow morning as usual. All right, guys. See you later.